How to change language in ElevenLabs. Note: ElevenLabs supports multiple languages and accents, but availability depends on the selected voice. Want your AI voice to speak Spanish, Hindi, or French? I will show you how to change the language in ElevenLabs in just a few steps. First, head to www.elevenlabs.io from your browser. Log in or sign up if you haven't already. Then go to the text to speech section. Now, here is the cool part. Type your text in your desired language. ElevenLabs automatically detects the language from your text. Make sure to choose a voice that supports multiple languages. Some English voices only sound right in English. If the output sounds off, try another voice or use their multilingual ones like Rachel or Anthony. Click Generate, listen to it, and if you like it, download it. No need to manually change language settings. Just type in your language and pick the right voice. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.